In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a message as a comment reply on Manychat. This process is straightforward and should take around 5 minutes. Let's dive in and walk through it step by step. First, you'll want to navigate over to Manychat. If you're not familiar with Manychat, it's a comprehensive platform that helps you automate chat communication for your business. You can easily find it by entering Manychat into your preferred search engine or going directly to their website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the Sign In button. Clicking on that will prompt you to enter your login details, so go ahead and do just that. After you've signed in, you'll land on the Manychat homepage. This is your central hub where you'll find all the tools and options you'll be using today. From here, you should navigate to the Home tab. This tab provides an overview of your activity and quick access to various features. Next, directing your attention to the left-hand menu, locate and click on the Automation tab. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to set up automated workflows and streamline your interactions with users. In the Automation section, look for the Basic option and click on it. The Basic section is key because it includes default settings and essential automation tools. Once you're in the Basic section, you'll need to find and click on the Default Reply option. The default reply serves as an automatic response to any direct messages you receive, ensuring that your audience gets prompt answers even when you're not actively monitoring your channels. After selecting Default Reply, another button labeled Setup will appear. By clicking this, you'll be able to configure your default reply settings specifically. It's an essential step to ensure your responses are exactly as you want them to be. Finally, once you've configured your settings to your satisfaction, look for the Set Live button. Clicking Set Live will activate your changes, meaning the system will now use these settings to send instant replies to incoming messages. It's the last step, but definitely the most important one to make everything function smoothly. And that's it, you've just learned how to mark a message as a comment reply on Manychat. Remember, automation can significantly enhance your customer interaction and customer service, saving you time while keeping your audience engaged. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share if you found this tutorial helpful. We'll catch you in the next video.